up, everybody? It's Kelly, your favorite little brown skin girl from CT, and I am back again with another video. But this time I am back again with a how to do a slick bun hair routine. I have been doing this. I have done this before, and I've been doing this more recently just because I just haven't been feeling like wearing any weave, wearing any extensions, wearing anything, wearing nothing. I did braids all summer, and I just felt like, and then I put the hair in. I don't put hair in, I wear wigs. But you know, when you're wearing wigs, you're braiding your hair underneath. And I just did not feel like wearing any more weave, any more wigs. My head was tired. My head was just feeling tired, feeling exhausted, feeling like it did not want to be underneath anything. And luckily for me, being that weaves are protective hairstyle, my hair was protected, have been doing long. I don't do much with my hair. It's not heat damaged, thankfully. And being that I lost weight, my face is slimmed down, and the sleek look, which I love sleek things. When I wear hair, I wear long black sleek hair. I just love sleekness. So I did this sleek back. It's what I usually normally do. I just have a regular t-shirt on for the day. I'm about to just, you know, go out, regular chill day. And this is what I normally do on a regular day basis. This is how I wear my hair recently, how I've been wearing my hair. I've loved it. Other people have loved it. Asking me how I got my hair so sleek, how I do my baby hair. So continue watching if you want to see how I get my baby hair slayed, how I do different patterns every once in a while, and how I just get this nice sleek look. It's also not hard. It's not a hard, I'm like slapping my head. It's not, I don't know if you can tell, I'm gonna feel it. It's not hard. Like it's not when you touch some people's hair, it looks rock solid. It just looks nice and sleek and put together, and I just love it. So continue watching to see how
Hi guys. So right now I'm going to be turning around, showing you guys different angles of my hair to show you guys what we're going to be working with. My hair is natural right now. I have not done anything to it. I'm just going to pull it down and show you the length of my hair. You know, shrinkage is not your friend. You cannot tell how long your hair is when you got curly hair. It's just, but I love my curls, and I don't think that I want to damage them anymore. I've gone to appreciate the naturalness of this hair. Ooh. Fluff it, sis, fluff it. Okay, look at your hair. Enjoy your hair, love your hair. Black and beautiful, whatever. So now we're gonna go straight into what you need. Got to be gel. We need some got to be. Next thing we need is some extreme gel. I love this gel. No alcohol, no flakes. There's some toothbrush for the edges. Next thing we're going to need is a brush so we can brush down that hair and make it nice and sleek. A comb to make your part nice and straight. My part is already there, especially because I made it because I didn't want to come on this video looking crazy. So I'm not really parting anything, just patting it down, making it more visible. But I like middle parts. I like things that I just really like sleek look, guys. So the more you come on my channel, you're going to find out that Raquel really loves sleek. So now I'm taking my hair and I'm just finger combing my hair out. Finger comb. We're going to finger comb that hair out, sis. We are finger combing. I'm just going to let myself finger comb the hair out. Then we're just going to move straight in. We're going to take the extreme gel. And we're going to take a glob of it. I didn't take my glob yet. Oh, wait. Okay. I forgot that you needed 2 bands, 2 clips. And we are going to part the hair. We're going to part that all the way around, starting from the front of my face all the way around to the back of my head to the other side of my eye. So from left to right eye, we're going to part. And this just makes it easier for when the gel goes on your hair for it to all be sleek, instead of just trying to comb it in your hair all at one time and just putting way too much gel, making it globby, but you know the word I'm trying to say. It's just so much better. So we're just gonna put gel in sections, and then when we get that brush, we're gonna brush it down, and it's just gonna be a nice sleek brush down from top to bottom. You're not gonna have to pull your hair. You're not going to have to tug on your hair. It's just gonna be a nice sleek brush down after we finger combed our hair to make sure that we don't have any knots or naps. Now I'm going in with the top, and I'm going to take that gel and I'm going to put it on the top of my head. Like I said, I was going to do straight in the middle on both sides. Just back it up. Back, backing it up. Backing it up. We're going to do that. We're going to keep doing that. Here we go. And we're going to put it in the back as well. Okay, so now that we have the gel on our hair, and I'm just going to take my fingers and brush it through my hair a little bit. We're going to get the brush. We're going to wet the brush with a little bit of water. We're dabbing that brush off. Just get the excess water off. And then we're, like I said, one sleek brush down. It should brush straight through, because you have gels in certain parts. It's just going to slide through, and you're not going to have to ramage through your hair, break your hair, break your hand, break your neck, just to get a sleek bun for our natural growth. The texture of my hair, I'm not really too informed on the texture of my hair. I just know a lot of people say I have soft hair. It's not soft. My curls aren't super tight, and my hair is a medium between being, it's more on the thinner side than the super thick side. I don't have super thick hair, so I guess I have medium fullness or density of hair. So we're just gonna brush our hair, brush my hair. I'm brushing my hair all the way around. And when I brush it, I try to brush it in, I don't know if you can tell, a motion where just a side motion, a sweep, go straight across. I'm gonna take my hand and sleek that down. And then we're just gonna put this in a bun now to catch it. And make sure that when you're putting your hair in a bun, that this bun is nice and tight. You want a nice tight bun. I was doing it so tight that I popped my elastic, but it's okay. We have another one. But you are, in case you do pop your elastic like I did, you should get another elastic, because you do need 2 elastic bands. And preferably black, so that it blends into your hair, or whatever color hair you have. You should get elastic that fits that, or yeah, because you need something durable. So get something that fits the color of your hair and that is durable. We're gonna brush that down. We're gonna make it nice and sleek. Nice and sleek. Just keep brushing, keep patting. It doesn't take that much. This whole thing does not take long. The video may be about 13 minutes long, but in actuality, to do my hair itself, it did not take this long. It took less than 10 minutes to do this hair. And I do this every single morning. I redo it because I like it to look fresh every single day. I don't like it to look worn. And because this is so easy, so simple to do, and I do it as soon as I get out of the shower, it gives me that opportunity to comb my hair every single morning before I go out to work or to do anything. So we're going to twist that, as you guys can clearly see. And after we do the twist out, you're going to put everything in your hair and make sure everything is locked in that bun, that twist out. And we're going to take the twist and we're just going to wrap it. Either from, you're going to wrap it from the left or the right. I usually tend and take the twist and I usually wrap it from the right going towards the left, and just keep wrapping it. Then you're going to take the elastic, you're going to put the elastic on, and then you're going to secure it. The elastic helps secure it and makes it last throughout the day without unwinding. After you put the elastic band in, we are going to stretch it out so that it is not so compressed and tight into the hair, because we did put a lot of hair into two tiny little twists and then wrap it around. So you do want to extend it out so it's just not so tiny and clumpy. Look like you have a little tiny knot on the back of your head. After, we are going to wash our hands and get all that gel off, because we had so much gel on our hands. And we're moving on to the edges, the last part. We are done, guys. Edges can take a while, but we are done. We are 95% done with this hair routine. we are done. And mind you, I do this every day. We're going to take some of that got2b gel, put it on your hand so it makes it more easable for you to go back and forth. I don't know if this is a Caribbean thing or not, but anytime I was getting my hair done with gel, we just put it on your hand because it makes it easier for you to go back and use instead of going to the container. And we're just going to take the gel, we're going to put a little bit on the toothbrush, and we're going to go in sweeping, swiping motions. You can do your baby hair however you want. I do according to how my hair lays, my natural hair lays, and I just follow that pattern. So when you do your natural sleep back, your baby hairs might be going a different direction or look very differently than mine, but nonetheless, when you are doing the sleep back, you should do and comb your baby hair, even if you have a little to a lot, because when you comb your baby hair, it just makes your hair look, your whole head, your whole look more complete and put together, and it just looks finished, as opposed to, remember when I just did it without baby hair, I mean, it did look nice and sleep back, but it just didn't look complete. It didn't look finished. It looked not half done, but it just did not look complete. You don't have to go as fast as I am. It does take some time. Just make sure that you guys are a little bit more patient, and you do want your baby hair to come out nice and sleek and basically perfect, because you did everything else perfect, so you want your whole head to look perfect. You want it to look nice. Why would you want your baby hair to look like atrocious and have somebody come after you like, sis? You know, when people use their edges as baby hair, oh gosh, don't let that be you. Now we are taking the rest of the gel and we're putting it on top of our hair, and it doesn't make it hard or anything, it just sleeps back. Now that we've finished the baby hair, we're going to take a step back and look at the hair. So I came in closer to show you guys my baby hair, give you guys a more detailed look up close, and to also show you that I follow the pattern of my hair. And if you follow the pattern of your hair, especially the baby hair, it will be a lot easier and it'll be a more smooth transition. And you won't put so much strain and stress on yourself to try to make it perfect. It's just a lot easier when you follow the direction of your hair. Well, that's it. Thanks, guys. Mwah.
All right, guys. Well, that's how I did my sleek hair look, as you guys saw multiple times. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. It's really simple, not much going on to it. It's just, you know, getting a sleek look, getting it to look nice together, especially with natural hair, can be a little difficult, can be a little tricky. And I definitely went through my regimens and definitely went through different products to figure out what worked for me. My products that work for me may not essentially work for you, but as far as the process, I just wanted to show you guys how I do it. A lot of people like to see, so I hope that you guys liked the video. Hope that it helped you guys. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your push notifications so you guys get notified when I post more videos. I post a video once a week, guys. Once a week. I'm going to try to get into a better regimen of posting more videos, more content. But thank you for supporting me, and please come again back to my channel.